How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to replace the left taillight on the Toyota Prius C. This is a 2012 Prius C, also known as the Toyota Aqua in the rest of the world. The left light's very similar to the right light, and it will work for many different models. I think from 2012 until when they stopped making this car, 2018, 2019, something like that. And then it'll work for a lot of other Toyotas as well. Very, very similar. So here's our problem. The back plastic is gone. It was filling up with water. My mom drilled a hole in it, and eventually this whole back plastic fell off. That's what it's supposed to look like. So we went on eBay, we bought a replacement. It was around $120, and we're going to be installing that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss another video, and let's get into the project. Tools we're gonna need: socket, 10mm with an extension. Lift your tailgate. We've got one bolt here and one bolt down here. Lefty loosey. Once those two bolts are out, all you're going to do is pull on the assembly. There's a clip at the top. There is also an attachment on the side here that you're going to pull and release. One's right here and one's down here. We're going to remove these bulbs. I'm unable to get enough grip strength on it, so I'm going to grab it with the pliers. Grab it, twist it, and then you should be able to pull the bulb assembly out. It does have a little water gasket on it, so do be aware of that. This clip you're just going to press and then pull, and then this bulb you're just going to twist to the left and then pull, and the same with this bulb down here. Just twist to the left and then pull it out. There's some plastic that routes the wire that you're going to have to So I had to pull the wiring out of there to get that off. Our new light does not have this piece on it, so we're just going to take a Phillips screwdriver and take this off. Then I had to grab this with the pliers and pull pretty hard, as it's got some LEDs like that. And we're just going to put that right there. And then we're going to reinstall that screw. Now we're gonna do our bulbs. So there's 4 bulbs. You're going to line it up. There's a triangle shape that you line up, and then you twist it to the right and it locks it in. Then you're gonna take this clip and just press it on, push that in, twist it a little bit till you get it flush, and then twist it clockwise. And then same with this bulb right here. You're gonna push it in, kind of jiggle it till you get it in, twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Then you're gonna route some of your wires. There's a little wire routing here. The rest of them are just gonna hang like that. This pin is going to go into here, and then there's another pin at the top here that's going to go into here. Those are the 2 anchor points. One at the top, one at the side, and then we're going to reinstall the 2 bolts. And then tighten those, and your rear light is installed. It really isn't that difficult. You can test your indicators. You will want to test all of your lights, your indicator. You have a brake light, and you have a running light. You have a reverse light. You are going to want to check all of these because contacts could be bad. One of the bulbs could be out, so you do want to check all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.